Good morning friends. Today my topic is DevOps. I have divided my topic into three categories. First topic is the introductory part, in which I would be discussing what is the topic, what are its features and why it is important. In the second part, that is the body part, in which I would be discussing what are the challenges and their solutions regarding this topic. And the third part is the conclusion part, in which I would be giving my opinion regarding this topic. So without any wastage of time, let us get started. First one is the introductory part. What is DevOps? What is this field? DevOps is a field of practices and cultural philosophical cultural philosophy. DevOps is a field that unifies the developers and IT operations. Its main goal is to shorten the development cycles and the operations. Okay, and it emphasizes on automation, integration and collaboration of development and operations. Let's talk about the features of DevOps. First feature that comes in DevOps is the feature of continuous integration. In the continuous integration, what happens is that the code changes in the code are merged into repositories, and which allows building the automated builds. That's what happens in continuous integration. Another challenge is the continuous delivery. Due to the automated deployment, the various software process releases are very much fast because of this automation, which leads to the faster and rapid delivery of the softwares. Third feature that comes in DevOps is the collaboration. And communication. By building such teams that work together, having a common goal sharing ensures better communication skills and leads to better results. Another feature that comes in DevOps is the infrastructure as code. The infrastructure is managed by code. The infrastructure is managed through a code, and that ensures the better infrastructure management and automated provisioning management. Now, another feature that comes in DevOps is the feature of monitoring and logging. Due to the continuous monitoring of applications, leads to better system health and its performance. Now, let us talk about the importance of DevOps. First main reason is the improved accelerated time to market. The software releases are much faster, which leads to less amount of time deployment of the software. This is the main reason of this development DevOps field. Second main reason is software quality, that means product quality. It improves the quality of the product due to the automation deployment, and which saves time and effort. Also, some other features are responsible for this quality improvement. Another main reason of DevOps is the enhanced collaboration due to the goal sharing of teams, due to the segregation of teams. By giving a certain task to every team will leads to the better results. That means the teams are generated and are unified. Okay, now another main reason of DevOps, that why DevOps, is scalability and flexibility. Due to this automation deployment, this provides more flexible time to fix and improve the quality of the product. Fifth main reason is the customer satisfaction. Due to the rapid deployment of software will lead us to better customer satisfaction and feedback. Now let us talk about some challenges regarding the DevOps. First challenge that comes in DevOps is the challenge of cultural gaps. It seems very hard to shift from the traditional systems to the DevOps technology for those teams that are working in a good amount of time on traditional systems, traditional technologies. But shifting to technology that is integrated with developers and the IT operations, it is quite challenging. So this is the challenge that comes in DevOps. Second challenge that comes in DevOps is the challenge of skill gaps, lack of expertise of groups in this field, and the number of tools they don't know how to use at early stage. So it becomes challenging to cope up with this technology. This is another challenge. So next challenge that comes in DevOps is the challenge of legacy systems. Legacy system refers to the older systems that is obviously not compatible with this technology, DevOps technology. So which is also challenging. So let's move towards another challenge, which is security concerns. Due to the rapid deployment, rapid improvement quality by focusing on the quality of the product, that creates some vulnerabilities regarding the security issues. So these are some challenges regarding the DevOps field. Now let us talk about some solutions to these challenges. The first solution is simple: through the training and education. That means upskilling the expertise of the teams, the group of people in this field can definitely lead to a change, and the issue of cultural and skill lagging can be resolved. Another solution we can adopt is the leadership support. Through leadership support that drive the change in the cultural gaps and also leads to better coordination between the teams to cope up with these challenges. Now another solution is the gradual deployment of the gradual implementation by phasing or selecting the certain tools with time and implementing them gradually will overcome the challenge of coping with the tools. The complexity, integration complexity, you can say. And by selecting and standardizing the tools will lead to the overcoming this integration issues. That means we have to there is a challenge of how you will integrate this number of tools in a cohesive pipeline. So that is a challenge. So it can be overcome by standardization of the tools. It means we can select and standardize some tools and deploy it with the time, and gradually increase the deployment of these, implementation of these tools can overcome the challenge of integration complexities. Another solution is the security integration. We can integrate security in DevOps like DevSecOps, Dev Security Operations. This will induce security techniques. Some techniques can be deployed to overcome the challenge of security issues in this field. So this was all about the challenges and their solutions. Now in conclusion part, I would like to share my opinion on this field, that it is very growing technology, a growing field, that is definitely would be a transforming journey. And this DevOps, with despite having some its challenges, it can be overcome by the solutions that I mentioned before, and it would be transformative journey to apply and deploy this technology to make it more traditional, I can say, and it will definitely improve the quality of the product, the rapid delivery of the products, software products, and saves time and effort of our developers. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.